In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin from Etoro to another wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your BTC safely and confidently from your Etoro trading account to an external wallet. First, make sure the Bitcoin you want to send is held as a non-leveraged buy position. That means you actually own the underlying asset, not a leverage contract. If you see any leverage applied, it won't be eligible for withdrawal. You'll need to hold real Bitcoin with zero leverage. Next, transfer that eligible BTC from the Etoro trading app into your Etoro Money wallet. In the trading app, go to your portfolio, open the Bitcoin position, and choose the option to transfer to Etoro Money. If you don't see the transfer option, it may be due to leverage, a restricted asset type, or regional limitations. Keep in mind that transfers can take some time to process, and there may be minimums, fees, or compliance checks depending on your account status. Once the transfer is complete and your Bitcoin balance appears in the Etoro Money wallet, open the Etoro Money app. Make sure you're signed in with the same account you used on the trading app. From the main screen, select Bitcoin. You'll see your available balance and recent activity. Tap Send to begin the withdrawal. This action starts an on-chain transaction, so you'll be moving BTC over the Bitcoin network, not just shifting funds inside Etoro. Now enter the destination wallet address or scan the QR code provided by the receiving wallet. Double check every character of the address or confirm the QR code came from the correct source. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once sent, so accuracy is critical. If you're uncertain, consider sending a small test amount first to confirm it arrives as expected. Verify that the destination is a Bitcoin address, not another network or coin. When everything looks correct, confirm the details. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction with an SMS code sent to your registered phone. Enter that code to authorize the withdrawal. If you have additional security set up, follow those prompts as well. After confirmation, your Bitcoin will be sent securely to the external wallet. You can monitor the status in your Etoro Money app and, once available, track the transaction on the blockchain using the transaction ID. Network confirmations can take time based on congestion and fees, so be patient. That's it, your BTC is on its way.